So which is better, VidIQ or TubeBuddy? That was the question that was raised in conversation on Facebook the other day. So I Googled it, and I found a link from Nathan Gotch. And Nathan is an SEO professional. I got it in the show notes. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, there's a blurb in there about Nathan's experience and how long he's been doing this and so forth. And he's concluded on his research from looking at both TubeBuddy and VidIQ side by side, looking at the features and the bang for the buck and so forth. He likes VidIQ over TubeBuddy based on individual strengths. Both of them got individual strengths, but the overall winner, in his opinion, VidIQ. And I'm glad that's what I'm using. I know some people that use both. So in terms of the best tool for the videos that you've got uploaded onto YouTube, there you have it. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.